In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay's local pickup option step by step to make your buying experience smooth and efficient. Local pickup on eBay is a great way to avoid shipping fees and receive your items quickly. First things first, let's start our journey by searching for local items on eBay. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in what you're looking for. For example, you might search for mouse for desktop or laptop. Searching for these items will bring up numerous listings, but let's focus on finding ones that offer local pickup. As you watch the results load, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a variety of filter options. Scroll down to the section labeled Delivery Options. Here, you're going to check the box that says Free Local Pickup. This ensures that all the listings you see now are eligible for local pickup, saving you any shipping cost and giving you the chance to get your item in person. Next, let's move on to reviewing the listings you're interested in. It's crucial to carefully review a few details before making any commitments. Check the item location to ensure it's convenient for you. Confirm that local pickup is indeed offered for the item. Many sellers will include specific pickup instructions, which can sometimes provide direct contact information or specify the hours during which you can pick up the item. Now that you've found the item you'd like to purchase, it's time to move on and buy it. You have two options here. You can either click buy it now to make an immediate purchase or place a bid if it's an auction style listing. Proceed to the checkout process as you normally would, and notice that no shipping costs will be added since you're picking up the item yourself. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email detailing the instructions for pickup. This email is important as it will guide you on the next steps. With the confirmation in hand, let's arrange your pickup with the seller. Head over to your purchase history on eBay, find your recent purchase and choose Contact Seller. This is your opportunity to coordinate the logistics of picking up the item. Agree on a time and date that works for both of you, confirm the location and plan to bring any necessary equipment such as tools, a helper or a suitable vehicle for transport. Finally, a word of advice, always prioritize safety when meeting to exchange items. Ideally, meet in a well-populated public space or use designated online sale exchange zones. Many communities offer these zones at local police stations to ensure safety for both parties involved in the transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll streamline your experience using eBay's local pickup feature, saving money and time. Enjoy your new purchase.